Human Services Committee to order. We begin with the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Department of Social Services, John O'Neill. Mr. O'Neill evidently is not here. Moving on to mental health, Steve Valley.
Good morning. I have a couple of items today. First, I have a resolution authorizing the appointment of Edie Poland of Keysville as a member of the Essex County Community Services Board for a term effective September 1, 2016 to December 31, 2017, and as a member of the CSB Developmental Disabilities Subcommittee for a term effective September 1, 2016 to December 31, 2016.
A resolution to that effect, please. Mr. Mayor, you will second. Mr. Politi, any discussion in regards? All those in favor signify by saying aye. Aye. Opposed? Carried.
Thank you. And next I have a proclamation to recognize September as Suicide Prevention Month and September 5th to 11th as National Suicide Prevention Week in Essex County. And what I'm hoping to do is have this before the full Board of Supervisors at your general meeting in September, which I believe will be day after Labor Day, September 6th, so we can have a kickoff for National Suicide Prevention Week and really get some public awareness around risk factors and also protective factors and how people can get help with regard to suicide. I think many of you are probably aware of the completed suicide in Clinton County last week of a young woman. I think she was 16 years old. It just underscores what a tremendous tragedy this can be for families and communities and all of us, really. So I'm hoping to have this passed. Do I need to go ahead and read through the whole proclamation?
You have the proclamation in front of you, and I certainly endorse this as a resolution and am looking for a second. A second by Mr. Politi. Any discussion or concerns in regards to it? All those in favor signify by saying aye. Aye. Opposed? Carried.
Thank you very much. That's all I have, unless there's any questions.
Public Health, Linda Beers.
Good morning. I'm Susan Allett. Linda Beers is not here today. I'm the Director of Preventive Services, and we do not have a formal report from Linda. So I just wanted to highlight a few things. We donated about 20 helmets to the town of Minerva for the Youth Commission event that they're going to have a bike rodeo in September. Just wanted to let you know that was a collaboration through Public Health and Safe Kids Adirondack. Let me see here. Lyme disease, I brought one sign. Again, I think you have all been offered these signs before. We have more at Public Health. We just distributed about 30 of these to go out on the CATS trails. Really important, the outreach we're doing right now. If you people could support that. Our Lyme numbers are off the charts. We are already above, year to date, we're above the highest year on record here for Lyme disease. And we're about double what we were last year. So just wanted to highlight the numbers there and that it's a really big year. So whatever outreach you can help support would be great. Any questions regarding? Okay, go ahead.
Mr. Monti.
Where can we get some of those signs? Right
We
through
have
your
them at
office?
Public Health. I can give you one now. I can give this one to you now if you like. But if you contact Public Health, let us know. We can make sure to get them over here so that they're at your boxes.
It'd be great for our Thrall Dam trails that we're working,
Absolutely.
and our 3 parking lots, yeah.
And actually, one of our grants, Creating Healthy Schools and Communities, is working on Thrall Dam. So I could get them out to the Clinton County gals who are working.
Yeah, Kaylee was just down Friday.
Perfect.
Thank you.
But do you know about how many you would want?
Probably 3
3?
for right now.
Sure.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Any other questions or concerns, Mrs. Lee?
Where are the majority of those cases?
The majority of the Lyme cases follow the Champlain border, so starting down Ticonderoga and following the way up, coming inland. So if you're over in the Lake Placid area, the thought that you don't need to be tested or don't need to be on alert is a misnomer, certainly.
That's why I asked. Thank you.
Any other questions regarding Lyme or the bike helmets? I also wanted to let you know, and I know Linda sent out an email on this, we have a new website. It's the WordPress website. So if you hadn't had an opportunity, go to the website. And if you're looking for information on Lyme disease or Zika, which has really been highlighted in the news, you can take a peek at our website, and we prefer for you to look also at CDC. And just the last thing is that bats are active. Bats are back. We're real happy about that. We don't want them in our homes or in our camps, though. So, we've had quite a few in our freezer at Public Health and tested quite a few, but we have not had any rabid bats so far this year. Any questions?
Any other questions? Yes, Mr. Monti.
Who's going to take Laura's place? Who's our contact as far as that goes down there now?
Really excited. This is a person who used to work for us at Public Health. Her name is Liz Terry. She was our early intervention coordinator for several years. She lives in Clinton County, so she'll be able to engage with the Clinton County schools a little easier, I think. But she's coming back to Public Health, so
Good.
we're really excited. And she'll be starting on August 22nd.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Other questions?
Good. You're welcome.
Office for the Aging?
Good morning. I have one resolution. Each year when we submit our AIP, our annual implementation plan, prior to submitting, we have to provide the community the ability to comment on our plan, give us suggestions, so on and so forth. So my resolution today is to get permission to hold that public hearing in the month of October. It has to be held 30 days prior to the plan being submitted, which is normally the first Friday in December. So that's my only request today.
A resolution to that effect by Mr. Gilliland, a second by Mr. Monti. Any questions or concerns in regards to this resolution? All those in favor signify by saying aye. Aye. Opposed? Carried.
And that's all I have. Any questions or comments?
Thanks, Chrissy.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chrissy.
Transportation. Good morning, Nancy. What do you have to offer for us today?
Good morning. I don't really have anything to bring to the board. Don't know if there's any questions or not.
Questions or concerns for Nancy Dugan? Mr. Paliti?
Nancy, I'm just curious, how are things going with trolleys and transportation?
Well, actually, I'm hoping to talk to you and Randy after the meeting about one portion of it. I was hoping that the taxi law would be ready, but I guess it's not ready yet to bring to the board to review.
Yes.
Charlie,
Mr. Garrett.
Nancy, just a question. A round number of the cost of a trolley, a new trolley like this Paso has, what do they cost?
What does a trolley cost?
And what it is?
About $250,000.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Mr. Scarpata?
Where are we on the taxi law? What are we
Well, I think at our meeting, we were under the impression we'd be bringing it to you today, but I don't know where it is actually.
We need to move on that. I mean, that's a huge problem in my community and other communities. I'm hearing a lot of horror stories.
We have one that was suggested to us. It's the city of Middletown, and I think that's the one we're going to try to use.
So who's accountable? I mean, where is it, sitting on the attorney's desk? I mean, where is it?
I believe so. I don't really know.
What's that?
I'll meet with Dan after the meeting and ask where we are.
Well, we need to expedite it.
So we'll be looking for more clarity in regards to this.
Yes.
Any other concerns for Nancy?
Thank you.
Any other concerns to come before the Human Services Committee? There being none, we're adjourned.